Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you transfer your ownership of your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application at very first. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see so many options. You just simply have to select your server where you want to change the admin and select the members section. And after going into members, you will get to see all of the members that you have into your server. And among them, you just simply have to select the members which you would like to make the admin or transfer the ownership to. Now as you can see here, I am the admin into this server. In order to make some other person as the owner, you just simply have to select these three dots or the more options button, and after tapping into there you will get the option of transfer ownership or make the admin. The option is not visible here because it is not the ID of the person but just a simple boards. You just simply have to find that option and tap into that and confirm it. Then the other person that you have selected, you will successfully transfer the ownership to that person. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.